Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mike back with another video, and today we're just gonna be doing some drifting in FR Legends. It's a mobile drift game. It's a very fun game. They have lots of upgrade options, lots of car options, and also track options. And also you can tandem online. That's basically the whole reason I like this game, is because no other mobile games have tandems and like tracks and stuff like these. So yeah, we'll get right into it. I'll start off by showing you what I got in my garage. This isn't a modded account. You can mod the accounts and get like unlimited money and stuff like that, but I've been playing straight up, just battling for my money. I find it a lot funner to do that instead of just like buy money or mod money into the game. So yeah, I'll start off with my ae86. It's a 2JZ swap, max power. It has 717 horsepower, which is max upgrade. You can upgrade the engine and all that. Turbo. I'm just showing you guys that just to for anybody that doesn't know what this game is or how it works. But yeah, I got that. Got my 2JZ S15 fully built. This one has the Beams engine in it, I'm pretty sure. Yep. And it's not built, but it's turboed and it's getting there. It honestly costs quite a bit of money to fully build a car in this game, so you really have to grind. But, so yeah, I got the Altezza. I also got a Chaser. Still working on this, so it's basically stock, as you can tell. But, yeah. I'll give you a quick overview of all the tracks as well, because they do have a decent selection. Okay, so the first 4 tracks that they have on here are all like, I guess custom tracks that they made, the game developers or whatever. And they're all pretty simple tracks. And then you have Irwindale Speedway, which is super cool. I can't believe a mobile game has all these tracks in it. But yeah, Irwindale School Course, which is at Ebisu. Ebisu Minami, Garage Motor Circuit, Gunsai, which is Toge that's in Japan, is super popular. Mihan Sportsland, which is named Kensai in the game. Hiroshima, and 2 US Motorsport Raceway tracks. I haven't really used those much, but my favorite track I have to say is Minami, because it does have the jump in it and stuff like that. So yeah, I guess I'll start off by showing you guys how to make money in the game. So basically click one of these battles. You'll lead first, obviously, like a real game. I still got an 83 though, so I might have a chance. I just have to be on this guy's door. Other than that first lead run, but that follow run was awesome. Oh, I still won. So yeah, I'll do one more for you guys. This is basically how you make your money in the game. Get over here. No doubt. I guess I haven't told you guys this yet, but in the online lobbies, there's lots of rammers. Like, they'll put a bash ball on the front of their car and just intentionally fuck you up. It gets pretty annoying. And if we did battles more often, then they wouldn't be able to get into the lobbies. I just think that would be cool. I'm almost at 20 grand. But I'll take it online and get some tandems online for you guys. Probably gonna use my S15 just because it keeps up with the bigger bodies a lot better. Come on, just work. This game's been giving me problems lately with multiplayer. Yep, see it. Be back in a second. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go online and get some tandems now. So you just click play, multiplayer, find the fastest region, click lobby, and there is a bunch of rooms. Okay, my favorite online map to play is honestly Ebisu Tandems. It's very tight lines, but once you get it, it's very fun. Oh my god, everybody's lagging. I'm going to a different map. That was fucking up my game. Jesus. Okay, maybe we won't do any more online. Get some more tandems in this song, or on this track. 20 grand. Upgrade this turbo. Almost at 400 horsepower. 385. But yeah, like I said, there's so many upgrades in this game. This is all the body kits. Vertex. Type E. Type D. Type C. Type B. Type A. And stock. See if multiplayer's working yet again. Grab my S so I can keep up with all the bigger body cars. If you guys are enjoying this game, I can make it into a little series if you guys are interested. Just leave a comment and let me know if you guys want to see more of it. And I can make it happen. And while you're at it, you might as well click the like and subscribe button as well. You're already down there. Means a lot to me as well. I'm trying to hit 100 subscribers before 2022. Oh, my multiplayer's gonna work again. Ebisu. Alright guys, so that'll wrap it up for today's video. Like I said, if you want any more videos like these, and with this game, I can make it into a series. Just leave a comment and let me know if you want to see it. And other than that, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and peace.